Hi, Kate here. In this video, I'm going to explain how auto payment rules work with payment profiles. Let me show you how that works. First, go to Configuration, then click Payment Profiles. We've already set up a payment profile called Managed Web Hosting. If you need help setting up profiles, check out our other video on payment profiles. Click into Manage Web Hosting, then click the question mark next to Auto Payment Rules, and then select Add New Rule. We'll create a rule called Web Hosting Customer that applies to two different account codes, Managed Web Hosting and Managed Domain Renewals. In this scenario, the invoice will only be processed for payments if the total amount is $1,000 or less. Additionally, if the invoice includes any project or hardware items, the rule will automatically deny the payment. Let's create a new rule. We'll name it Web Hosting Customer and mark it for hosting customers only. Click Save, and now we'll set up the rule conditions. There are two different types of rules, allow and deny. Allow rules operate on an AND logic, meaning all allow rules must be satisfied for the billing rule to pass. Deny rules function differently. If any deny rule is matched, the payment is immediately blocked, regardless of whether any allow rules are met. Let's apply this in practice. Select Attribute, Account Code to start with Managed Web Hosting. If the account code doesn't appear right away, refresh your data. Go to Configuration, Accounting and Sync, then click Resync. We're using 0, so this downloads the latest account codes. Return to the rule, click Save Changes to refresh, and then choose Manage Web Hosting from the list. Next, add Manage Domain Names /renewals as a second rule. Currently, both account codes must be included on the invoice for the rule to apply. However, you might prefer an OR condition, where only one of the codes is needed. Use the advanced options to allow single code matching. Once you've made this change, click Save Changes. The rule will now apply if Managed Web Hosting or domain renewals appear on the invoice. Next, add a rule that allows invoices that are $1,000 or less. This is a good idea as it provides a safety net in case, for example, someone accidentally enters $4,000 instead of $400 into an invoice. Now we'll create a deny rule. If the invoice contains computer hardware, we want to block auto payment. Select Deny, Account Code, Computer Hardware. This deny rule will prevent payment even if all other rules pass. You can test the rule using the AutoPay simulation tool. Enter an invoice number and click Simulate to see how the rule applies. No payment will be made. This is just a simulation. Go back to Manage Web Hosting Payment Profile. You'll now see your new rule, Web Hosting Customer listed. Click Save. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other video on payment profiles.